Yeah, go across now. Hey, how do? Yeah, catch bait. You see none? Oh, what side there? I remember that? From far. To reach out a river nowhere. I wear my water shoes. I wear shoes and I can wear in water. Oh, nice camping spot that's now. You see it though? Where you see through a truck and cow and donkey and anything they walk over here. You can't do that. Yeah guys, so we're on the Wiley Cane River going further up in the hills of St. Thomas, following this river. We're trying to find back that camping spot that we were at the other day. Yeah. Guys, and even if we don't have watch all of the video, I want you to stay tuned because we have a story to tell you about this area. Like, I'm not going into details, but I want to tell you one story about that place here, alright? It's a personal story. Y'all stay tuned. Nico, it's so nice over there to catch fish. From I was 17 years old, I have had this recurring nightmare that I was being chased through an abandoned community in the hills of St. Thomas. In this dream, it always looks like the 1700s, and I always escape, sometimes even flying. So to confront my fear, I decided to spend the night in the hills, by the river, at an exact spot I saw in my dreams. The night was going good until I remembered that just beyond the bushes, an old cemetery lay hidden, a relic from the forgotten community. Now this added a chilling weight to the night, and you really don't want to miss this one. So we just reached the side for make camp. I realized I can't find the car key and I just have it. So we retrace we step down the river and see if I can find it, because most likely somewhere I put down the camera and maybe put it down to set up the camera. So we'll leave the stuff them on the river side and go back down. We retrace we step them. You know they know where you're so, bro. So either over this or down apart me to put on the camera.
come in, I know over here, so I feel like I don't go so from this stuff. Guys, I don't know this up, because I have a car all along. And we just need to put it on bag. Anyway, I search. Now grow on so. I don't know how I'm going to reach back home. I swear, yo. So guys, I found the key. It look like say from where the be things are lost and just there on I'm not find it now. The key inside of the bag, guys. So found it. Alright, so we are set up to get back to yard. Now my brother then plan to do a challenge, alright? Me I go build a hut, a bush hut, suitable to sleep in, and they are gonna build bush huts suitable to sleep in. Them a try compete with me. Me never do it yet, them never do it yet, so we are gonna see how best we can do it, alright? See them there, they don't start, they're not here to know, they stand up attack. But we'll look some stick to make one fire, and then we can start do what we do and try to see if we can catch 2 fish there, alright? Yeah, man. Guys, we don't set up camp yet, you know, but I try to catch some fish. You know, we don't set up camp. We don't set up camp. Here guys, so now show you what I have inside of my bag, alright? Mario, let me show you. I have this. It's a water filter. Alright. Charger. This is my drone charger, but the drone fly with some use it as a battery pack now. We have ramens. I have toothbrush. We have file paper for fish. We have sardine for Nico because he can't take camping, he can't manage camping, so I have to bring sardine for him. I have my binoculars because I like fast. We have a night light. Yeah, this is a thing at the night when it's dark. And it comes with a strap too, so it can go over my head. I have toothpaste as usual. one more sardine, a compass, the elusive car key, yeah guys, and I bring one pot. Yeah, and we have fishing line and them thing there, peeps. And look here, now look here. Mario find a jackfruit. Yeah, you ready to cut it? Cut it. Maybe you can use it and catch all fish. Look at sweet, isn't it? Guys, I'm gonna try a piece. Catch out the fire, Nico. See the peeps. Nice. But we get back to that, alright?
Oi. No. Stick there, look for. Yes. Come on, show the big one. Right. Yeah, right. Got the one wrong, isn't it? Bring this.
camping car. Go for the pass the long light out at the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, that's Let me see, lighter, strobe lighter, better lighter though. No, no put no. That's plastic. One chop out of this one, Nico. One clean up of this one.
Go ahead, Nico, do that. Nico, chop it. Go on, Nico, chop it.
So far, Romaro chop out him camping spot, get it together. Nico still stand up at the side. What am I going to do? Go for your build your tent. Some up there, so. You not secure a spot yet? Walk and look at spot, man. You need to find a spot before it get dark. Guys, alright, so I build my hut still, you know. Right at this spot, right here. Alright, right, that's an build my hut. Yeah, and that's fire. We have a fire going. Guys, you don't know all this? This and nickel. Come on, Nita. Come on, one. Come on, bro. Hold on, hold on. Give me on. Give me on, bro.
No, wait, no.
Touch your head still. Come on, running up. Maria clean out in my camping spot. Yeah, guys. So, I go up another little tracker. I think our whole building supposed to have another little tracker. Maria, I need very much check out them camping spot. And look for the grave them. Lots of houses were around here, you know, guys. This was a whole community. And it's abandoned now. Lots of cemeteries around here. I came here once. As I told you guys, I have a story to tell about this place, which I'm gonna be sharing with you as soon as we get settled. Really spooky place, guys. We'll tour the place tomorrow, so I'm not gonna go really far because we have a slavery site up on this hill to go and look at. Alright, but it's evening time now, so we're just gonna camp for this evening. We're just gonna build camp, ensure that we have somewhere to stay, because you know, in camping it's all about water, fire, shelter and food. So far we're not catching no fish yet. We're trying, but we're not catching no fish yet. But we have some snacks still, and we have mangoes, we have river water, we have a filter, so we can work around that. Alright, so yeah, that we are the peeps. So I'm just try spy out some stick I'm not gonna need. Yeah, we only have 2 machetes and my brother them use them at the moment. So yeah. So this is the surroundings of where we are. So we're going to explore the place too. So yeah, look out for that. A mango ripe too. Really, it's not a good mango yet, but mangoes are falling from the trees. Because I just found one which I was trying to use to catch fish. Guys, I know so on grave that we just passed. Oh, very old grave. Let me show you it. Look here. It's a grave. Very old grave. Look, some string. Look, string, huh? Hey, hey! Hey! This is some automobile plates. I'm showing from front here. It's not finished yet, you know. Yeah, it's not finished yet. But that's my shelter I'm building right there. Alright. Nico no start building a shelter yet, you know. Nico stand up and look. Up there, so. You can't build up a Mario chop out.
No, side out.
Eh?
No, side and field.
Where is it? You want to go side of Romario? You wait until Romario chop out team part and then you want to go there.
That's why in front of us.
Yeah, but you wait until he chop out, don't you?
I'm in the lead.
So you make him do it for you and you lick my brother. Alright. No do it, man. No build one big camp. I two want to sleep together. Eh? Romario, how you get along? How you going? You going good? Want help? Oh. Alright. Romario going, Romario cutting stick them, you know. Romario have him plan on cutting stick them. Right, I'm coming now, Romario. Yeah guys, so I told you I dreamt that I was at the place in St. Mary, and when I reached there was curfew in Islington, so I did not get a chance to do that, and I was told that it wouldn't be wise for me to camp in the area overnight. So I returned, and now we're at a different location. We're actually up in the hills in St. Thomas, as I told you earlier, and this place here on the river, it's somewhere I have always dreamt about. I have had reoccurring dreams from I was like about 17. This is something I've told countless amount of people about that dream, and there are people who can attest to that in the comment section. It's like the dream is set in like slavery era. It's like in the 1700s. We had on gowns and stuff like that, and the gown had a string that was tied around the waist. But there were people chasing me, people just run me down. Like every dream you get people run me down. But anytime I reached this location right here and came across the river down there and then went through the bush up here, I always got away, you know. And I decided that for my first camping experience, this is where I really wanted to camp by the river, catch fish, you know, and then go up in the bush up here to look for the slavery site that's up there. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do, and that's the short story I wanted to share with you guys. So stay tuned. It's almost night still, you know, what time? The 4:47. That's 16:47, 4:47. Yes, so we're there set up. Alright. I'm left alone with the mosquito them. My brother them decides so them gonna explore in the bush them, and a minutes to 6. Them brave. But them safe still. Yeah? Them all look mango. Yeah guys, this is the river. See me out there. But my brother, my little brother, him actually a build a better cut than me. When you look what my little brother a build. I don't know if he about this way my work on. You see it stay? And I put them leave here on top of it. Maybe. Or maybe I just block it down. Because I know how Finn out to look better than my own. And him don't know about bush. I feel bad man, I block it down. A joke me I make. You know me now do that. I'm proud I'm little brother, I'm a learn. Yeah? Yeah man, so them they're somewhere up in the track up here so. I'm show them the grave. Think them would have get speared, but they are not. So but there I try to catch fish. Just get one next mango. I'm gonna use as bait. Catch some fish. So I'll get back to y'all guys. Yeah guys, so we went fishing. Came back, caught on the 2 fishes again. Brother them still up there so I try to catch fish. We come back and the fire is out. So I have to catch up back there. Alright peeps. You catch on? Yeah, me tell you say fish on my bite. So my brother catch one fish too. You just catch him. I pack it up for tonight, you know. Pack it up for tonight, I now go further down. Yeah, I go back down, yeah, I go down further. Yeah. Do your thing. And big one I catch? Yeah. There. Them the guys. Nice. Yeah, peeps. Remember, make me feel like me nobody want to pack up my fishing gears, you know. Like, I want to come try catch 2 more. May I get my light though, is it? May I get the light? Guys, so I wonder if the light will go run the fish there. Hey, out there dark, you know man, I know there. I go for the lights though. So we have enough firewood, I think, to last till the morning. We can look for more still. So I get my light and get back here. Yeah guys, so we finally get the fire. I know it's supposed to not see me. We finally get the fire going. Yeah. And that's the fire going right there. Maria keep the fire going. Yeah. Look about the 3 fish them. Yeah. Need to feed him face. Yeah, need to have a meal. Yes, man. I know. Put salt on him. You remember? Rub them up, rub some in our belly. The fire make the sound, man, ain't nobody up on. Guys, my house broke down, guys. The freaking house broke down. Yo, can't move up this night. Yeah guys, so I know the camera maybe not see me, but yeah, that's the hut for now. Can't do no better now because I can't see neither. Yeah? How your things are. Yo, it's at the music you hear the thing in the bush. Not never in the bush. Anything in the bush I must some little rat or some little animal, you know? Yeah guys, we're there. Yeah guys, now look at what time now. Tell me now what time. Now 8:47. 8:37 feet. So the place look dark. Water splash for me a while ago. Watch out. One bag of water. Watch your ramens. Are you ready to do it, sir? I just no, it did that, so but I know so I drink it.
The party don't owe it to this
I never left it that way there.
We have to party don't owe
Like nothing there up on the side. Guys, no, one bag of water dropped on me a while ago. And the ramens go up on the side, I never leave it like that. I don't know why I leave it open, so I'm not try this too. But I'm trying my best not to get spooked. And you better them, I'm afraid you know. Romario said double boxing already. Tell the people about what about double box, yeah?
Yes.
No man, what part you there?
Eh?
Where you there?
Sweet fire, sing shot at all.
Seaside of town?
Sing shot.
Swing song?
Not smooth.
Hmm?
Not smooth.
Box more tight? Yeah.
First you swell up man.
The face it swell. Me could have tell Romaro beard up his story and I'm making afraid.
Okay, you can't see.
Me can't see. Me can't see them. You feel so? You feel so?
That's all you talk to.
That's why me I talk so. But you see them and make you afraid of them.
No, I'm not afraid of them. I'm just a say something. Yeah. You can't afraid of them. Only you afraid.
Oh me?
Oh,
Guys, see the moon there.
yeah, come on.
Yo, blaze up on the fire there. And then gonna sleep, yo. So, peeps. Yeah, peeps. So, we're turning early, you know. Yeah. Now go well at 5 and I'll get back to y'all just in case I'll see y'all in the morning. Alright? Yeah, guys. Y'all have a wonderful night. Guys, I still can't sleep. Me down underneath my hut. Yeah. Brother them there on our next side. I still can't sleep, but me there. Guys, so it's after 3 o'clock. Well, I don't know what time now. Look at what time. Show you what time. 1:58. Fire still ablaze. I'm gonna put on some soup right now. Yeah. Come with me. Just adding soap, guys. So just have a rinse it out. Water cold, peeps. Yeah, we're ready to go again. Water. Oh, no more than that. Fire.
Not exactly on the fire, but close fire. Yeah, around here saw the ideal place. Already know, come back to that. Morning everyone. So we made it through the night. Brother them still asleep still. We made it through the night and yeah. My phone is dead. I don't know what time it is. I tried to charge it, but it's saying that moisture is inside the phone, so I should unplug it. So I wait till daylight out and see if it dry out or whatever inside that, because I don't think no moisture is supposed to be inside that. But anyway, yeah, we're up, running. It was a cold night. I'm never wearing up pants, shorts. Got up the river. I left the brother say I want to catch fish early in the morning, so I'm waking up. Yo! Mario! Now deal with it. Yeah, I'll go catch fish again. Eh? You sleep good? Sure? Eh? Yes, sir. Where do your teeth there right here? Oh. Yeah, so I get up and catch up at the fire and thing. Get up and check pound, you know. Then you see the light?
Yeah.
Circle the place, man, is it? Fire there, guys. Fire still not burn out. Yeah guys, so mission accomplished. I faced one of my worst fears in a place that I was scared of. Yeah, so I try to catch new fish. Yeah guys, so we are going up on the hill there. Up there, so we are going in search of the graves and see if we can find the buildings that are up here. Alright, it's early morning, minutes after 6. We'll try to do it early. Alright? You wanna follow me? Mario, Nico, I know how long I come now this bush. So I'm a picnic. No, I come over here come make one video another time. But I have a dream about over here. Which you want to walk yesterday? Always a dream about over here. A grave that over there, sir?
No, a bee.
Your bees box.
So I wanna go down? Yeah, the road is. Yeah, the road is how we go. I know I wanna shop we go. This is the road we go. Remember up on the hill we are going. That I bring back down in our village. Now what is up there, sir? What that right there, sir? This is a road that them take when them go look carrot. Dive over here, sir, gravy. Here guys, we're up on the hill. Now see over New Monkland. Yeah, up here, sir. See over New Monkland. Suppose you can see all the car friends, sir. Yeah guys, that's over by New Monkland. Down this road with the peeps. Way down this way. Way down the river. You see up out there? Don't go close enough. Go up here so them see the man. Push up here so how far so the man push off the next man from. Yeah. See up out there? Right down this road. You find mango Mario? Yeah. I'm not going no further still now. Because the truck look safe. And they drop off with over there, so. Truck look safe at all. No grave no up there, so I don't think it's that up there, so, is it? Because no land no there. Yes, so when you go up there, so just drop off just quick. You see it? Fish I catch it? I catch more fish. Oh, never see it. Huh? Guys, look there. This one and that one there. Whole lot of mangoes and a small tree. See grape there? Yeah guys, this may I look for. Like it's a family plot. 2 grave. 1 man and 1 woman. What do you think them reach over here so to bury them people here? So I'm gonna find the grave them. Look here from last night, I want to come look for them then. So I get up and walk up and down, you know. But through the camera now show good night, is it? Doesn't make no sense. You suppose you can see car, no see car. But you see the outside park front though? This is the top village truck. You see that one you know? That one go straight down. You see the same place you wanna go? That one go straight down there, you see it? I run at the house coming now. I go look, I go right down here so I go look and turn back. One old house there. The guys want old house up there so. There's some around here so the one grave there. Nice penis grave. We'll come look for other penis. Where when them bury her, them chain down our grave. Come around here, already come look for it. You can take all this to the truck and go down the river too. All of the house them way up and mash down. House there all up there, so, you know. Some little, you know. One house up there, so, you know. You know the bush up there, so. Mount Lebanon's village. Beautiful hillside. Now I go back out to the river because I bag them out there. You want to go further? Alright, come
We know this already.
You know where this, huh?
This is rock.
Okay. You want to go down through the truck there? Hmm?
Don't know. No. No, I don't know.
Hmm? Where them, which grave? Oh, grave down there, sir? Hmm? I know up your son walk. I tell you. Oh, I don't want to see them one there. Them one there new. Are your son walk? Your son walk? Oh. You know what is? No? Thinking tour. Guys, you know, remember who watch the video at the channel long time. Remember when we come up here, me and Akeem, and we did find the thinking tour them. I'm sure now if you eat it and them thing there. Yo, no bring two for me here. Please, I want them. Oh, I'm put that. No, bag having the phone then. The man scratch out the phone them. Thinking tour. Feet. Yeah, dog, nice, yo. Never eat it? Yeah. I'll show you. I'll reach down. And then we'll go down through that track here. Yo, me say the stone then tough last night, you know. But who no sleep on dirt? You know, one night time I lay down and I say, you know, so I'm smart. I should have somewhere some build me tent on dirt and build me tent on stone. Yo, stone them one broke my ribs last night. Yeah, bro, me always, you know, I know them trackers, so. You see, when I get that dream them I tell you about, I always I see the track them. And sometimes I run across the street, but either I go straight up so, or I go so, or I go through one next one, because I can go straight up, you know, and still go across, you know. You see me? It's like I always I run on the same track. Then the place look slightly different still, you know, you see me? But, yeah, I see him where so it stay on my lip, yo. The tracker down here, so. So, no go. Go down there, go look. The one you go down so and go so, and go through the yard, then you go through some yard down there, so, isn't it?
Yeah, man, the yard of the hospital.
Okay. People live around there, though? You just have to talk about grave. Yes, I suppose you can't bring you out the road, you know, out the river, you know. I look still, I still like, I saw one building down here. No building that over there, so, bro? Or one tree? Show wall, yeah. Guys, you see one whole stone wall, yeah. I run along here, so. Whole cut stone wall. Whole wall, this is how it built? See them there? Yeah, they say enough to find for grave. Grave there over here, so too. The grave there on so it's still like this, isn't it? Just stone.
What are you doing
Hmm?
What are you doing
You know that star apple, you know? You know the star apple? Take out that and show them the audience. Star apple, guys. Turn on the good side where them can see it low stay. That one the mash up still no peeps. Let me see if I can find one next one for sure. No? Hold on there. Is that tree that? Mario, I want tree that a piece of wall. Oh. So we now go so through the yard, we go back so to the river, isn't it? So our next grave there. Is it? Grave that right there, so. We go back so. Down if you listen now walk, isn't it? You hear somebody around there? Maybe around the bees box them there. Thing look like a building in there, you know? Look like piece of building. Stir apple there, guys. Something over here I want to find still, I don't know, but I not find it. That's why I keep on a dream about that place here. Got an old stone wall there, so I'll go up. Interesting.
Yeah, like orange.
Orange?
Yeah.
Orange. Yeah guys, the place fruitful, that's Sibla orange or sour orange.
Oh, that's cool.
The wall, yeah.
Yeah?
No man at the wall. May I look for me, I said, go around sir. Yeah, so? I know you so, dog.
No, no, these box in it. It's almost.
Bees box. From our house foundation. Whole house it over here, Nico? Yeah. Whole house. Trucker bring it down on the next side. Yeah guys, so we're back at the river. We never really ready to leave off of the river. We never really complete all of this adventure. But then I have to try to get my phone charged up. And it's telling me that moisture is inside of the phone, no water in the phone. Whenever time they use the battery pack and it low, it always give me some messed up message. So I'm just open something like that so I can get the phone to turn on. So because of that, we'll head out shortly and go back out where the car is. Alright? So now follow me. So I'm gonna show you guys thinking toe and how you eat it. Yeah? Alright. And this place, we have this place to clean up. Ramen package. I'll show you how the place look after we finish. To show you all that we leave the place clean and we didn't leave any garbage. Alright. Yeah guys, so this I think will do. See it, peeps? Now, anybody who know this will tell you all. Anybody who know this will tell you all how good this tastes. Yeah? Thinking too. Nico! Want to taste it? Yeah, taste it. Nice. Enough taste of it. Let's taste on the eggs. Nico, come taste these sides. Got this man going to my get man. You don't have to eat 10 and more. This is the first time for everything. Just eat the thing down. What I eat, I eat it. Look at. Can I see that? Nice.
If it's too up, I have to go eat cold.
Foolishness. I can't put up on camera. Stop this to mix that. Look at my wheel. Yeah? Can't cook up. Philip, them don't know nothing do. trophy, cow shit. What about cow shit on it?
Yeah, okay.
You catch him on camera, him that you see, no? It's not good. No, man, not broken. I'm broke on here? Yeah, ain't none. Come here. Yeah, guys. So this is how the place looks now. Fishing line them still leave, you know. I'm showing how the place looks. We left the place clean. Piece of jackfruit over there, so. Some hut got tear down with me last night. Got the fire. So up where brother them with camp. A water bottle will come with me. Otherwise from that we left no garbage. Yo, take out the bag, Nico. We left no garbage. That's a bag we're taking with us. So yeah. All is well. So guys, we're head out on the front now. I'll get back in touch with y'all once we get to the car. Alright? Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Now, as you notice from the video, some of the footage is missing. Because when I was fishing, if you notice, there's no fishing clips. When I was fishing, when we were eating, and some of the other clips, I would set up the phone to record, just like what I normally do. But then I'm not sure if it's a message or whatever would happen and the phone would stop recording, and I would think that it is still recording. So therefore I lost those clips or footages, and those were mostly the secondary footage, because the main video was filmed with this camera. Alright, so I really do hope you found the video interesting. It was my first camping experience. I am not really experienced in that field per se, but if you want to see me do it again and try to get better at it, let me know. Alright, and yeah guys, look out for the next one. Stay blessed. Sound like my cat to come. Guys, me get back on cat, you know, me showing him. Well, me showing him she. See how there? Come. Shh. She look for the tree. What you do? Come. My camera. Lychee. Come. Yeah guys. Look my camera, Lychee. Look, I camera if you look pan. Go on. Yeah guys, catch you all in the next video. Stay blessed.